Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is Microsoft Excel. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a widely used spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. It is part of Microsoft Office suite of productivity software, and it is available for both Windows and Mac OS operating systems. Excel provides a powerful set of tools and functions for creating, manipulating, and analyzing numerical and tabular data. Here are some key features and functionalities of Microsoft Excel. Number 1. Spreadsheet creation. Excel allows users to create spreadsheets consisting of rows and columns forming a grid-like structure known as worksheet. Users can input and organize data into cells which can contain text, numbers, formulas, or functions. Number 2. Formulas and functions. Excel provides a wide range of built-in mathematical, logical, statistical, and financial functions. Users can create formulas using these functions to perform calculations on data within cells. Formulas can be used to add, subtract, multiply, divide, calculate averages, perform complex mathematical operations, and much more. Number 3. Data analysis. Excel offers powerful data analysis capabilities. Users can sort and filter data, create pivot tables to summarize and analyze data, generate charts and graphs to visualize data trends, and apply various statistical functions for data interpretation. Number 4. Formatting and styling. Excel allows users to format and customize the appearance of data with cells in worksheets. Users can apply different font styles, colors, and sizes, adjust cell borders, merge cells, apply conditional formatting to highlight data based on specific criteria, and create visually appealing reports and presentations. Number 5. Data validation. Excel includes data validation features to control and validate the input within cells. User can set rules and restrictions on the type, range, or format of data that can be entered, ensuring data integrity and accuracy. Number 6. Collaboration and sharing. Excel supports collaboration among multiple users. It provides features for sharing workbooks, allowing users to work on the same file simultaneously. Users can track changes, add comments, and protect sensitive data with password-protected worksheets or workbooks. Number 7. Automations and macros. Excel provides automation capabilities through macros. User can record a series of actions in commands and save them as a macro. Macros can be executed later to perform repetitive tasks or automate complex operations, saving time and effort. And lastly, number 8, integration with other applications. Excel can be integrated with other Microsoft Office applications such as Word and PowerPoint. Users can copy and paste data between different Office applications, embed Excel charts or tables with Word documents or PowerPoint presentations, and leverage the strengths of various Office tools for enhanced productivity. Excel is widely used in various industries including finance, accounting, data analysis, project management, research, and many others. It provides a versatile, user-friendly platform for organizing, analyzing, and representing data, making it a valuable tool for professionals, students, and individuals seeking to manage and analyze numerical information efficiently. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on what is Microsoft Excel is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.